Let us say we have some business logic within the child component, and how do we invoke that JavaScript method from the parent web component? That is what we'll be looking at in this episode. To demonstrate that, I tried creating two web components, one web component being explore tax calculator, and this is going to act as the parent component, and the other component is explore math. This is going to act as the child web component. So we'll try to have all the business logic in a method in the child component, and we'll try to invoke that JavaScript method from the parent web component. And the purpose of this component is this is going to act as a tax calculator. And what I mean by that is we'll be having two input fields, one field to accept the total amount from the user, and the second field to accept the tax percentage. So we'll accept the total amount, and also we'll try to accept the tax percentage. That is because each and every service and good might have its own tax percentage, and we'll try to calculate the payable tax based on the total amount which is given by the user and the tax percentage which is also given by the user. And as mentioned, we'll try to put the business logic within the child component, and we'll try to accept all the user given inputs in the parent component, and we'll try to invoke the JavaScript method in the child component from the parent component. And to implement this, I would need two lightning input tags. So let me comment this out, and then I'll be using two lightning input tags, and I'll use name attribute to which the value is going to be total amount, and followed by that I'm going to use label attribute, and this is going to be total amount, and followed by that I'm going to use on change event, and this is going to be handle change. And we need to implement this method, and I'll be doing it in a moment. Let me close the tag. Let me also duplicate this. That is because we would need one more input field to accept the tax percentage from the user. So this is going to be tax percentage,